What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am doing another haul for you guys. So I got some coupons at Victoria's Secret and I decided I would go spoil myself but also get items, obviously of course that I want, not the ones that I don't want at all, but to do a haul for you guys because hauls are so highly requested. So I figured why not get some stuff for myself and then show you guys. So that's what I did today. I went to Victoria's Secret and I also went to, I was gonna say something else. I also went to Dry Goods, which is a boutique, and I saw something there that I had been eyeing for a while and it was on sale. So I decided that I would finally get it because like I said, I've been wanting it for a really long time. So now that I found it like at a decent price, I was like, okay, I'll get it now. So like it kind of convinced me to get it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. So I will show you what I got at Dry Goods first because I only got one thing here and I got more at Victoria's Secret. So I have this huge bag for one item. So as you guys know, it is cold outside, it is winter time, and I have been eyeing this jacket for, I don't know, a couple months, I'm not gonna lie. And I couldn't bring myself to buy it because it's originally $64, okay? I'm not going to spend $64 on a jacket. I'm not. I'm just not that kind of person. And then the last time I went in, it was $32 and I still couldn't bring myself to do it because I didn't love it enough to spend $32 on it, so I didn't get it. And then I went in today and it was $16, so I had to get it today. It is this ombre fluffy jacket. It is so cute. It has pockets. Where are the pockets? It has pockets. It's so warm and fluffy and comfortable. And it's like the same right here. And then the inside is like, I don't know if you can see this. It's that. Oh my God, I'm so excited to wear it. If you have a Dry Goods near you, I would totally recommend getting it because it's so comfortable and soft. And they have other colors too. But I love baby blue, light pink, yellow, like bright colors like that. So I had to get this and I'm so happy I finally got it because it took everything in me to not buy it the last couple of times I went. So I was really happy to get it this time. So now I'm gonna show you everything I got at Victoria's Secret. It doesn't look like that much, but they shoved everything in the bag. So here it is. I don't want you guys to see all that. So I had a coupon for, I'm not gonna be ashamed of telling you, I had coupons and I did not spend a crazy amount of money there. I didn't. So their Victoria's Secret bras are originally like $60, $65, and I was not about to pay $60 on a bra. I never do. I always wait for sales or coupons or something because I love their bras, but I will not bring myself to spend that much money on one item, like I said about the jacket that I loved. So I had a 50% off and a bra there, so I only spent $30 on a bra and I felt like that was more reasonable than $60. So the bra that I got, I have been needing a white bra for a really long time. So I got this simple lacy, I don't know if you can see that, simple lacy bra, which I thought was super cute. It's a little push-up. Like I said in a couple of my other videos, I'm not ashamed. Your girl likes push-up bras because she don't have big boobs. So I got this, but when I get my boobs done, I won't have to wear push-up anymore, and that's really exciting. But for now, I get the push-up bras because I'm obsessed. And I love this one. I've been eyeing it for a while because I needed a new white bra, but I didn't want to spend the money on it. So now I finally got it. And then the next coupon I had was $10 off a purchase of $40. So I only spent $60 in this entire mall trip, and I got 10 more pairs of underwear, even though your girl doesn't need any more underwear at all. I had to get more because I have an addiction and I need help, but I won't get help because I love shopping. So I'm just gonna I don't think I'm gonna like section them out. I'm just gonna show you guys randomly what I have. So I have this first one. It kind of reminded me of like sherbet or something. So I got this one. I thought was super cute. I got this other seamless one. I don't know what you would call this kind of pattern. I think it's like a bandana pattern. I really don't know, but it's also like tie-dye bandana print. I don't know what you would call it. And I needed one more pair of underwear, so this is the only reason I got this one, because I didn't see anything else that I liked. Otherwise, I would have never gotten this one originally. It's a brown pair of underwear, which I don't like wearing dark colors. So I got a brown pair because I just needed one more, so I kind of just grabbed one. And then the rest of them are bright, and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna do the blues first. So I have 3 blue ones. Sorry about my dog. I have this seamless, ribbed, whatever you want to call it, blue thong. And then I have this floral light blue thong, which is so cute. And I thought this one was really, really pretty as well. You can see that. And then I also got that one in like a different style. So it's gray with the pattern around the edges, which I thought was super cute, like through the lace or whatever. And it's cheeky, which I thought was adorable. And then I'm gonna do the peach one that I got. Did I grab 2 of the same? No, I don't know. I got this peach one, and it has, I think it's a peach, but I don't want to be wrong. A peach one with a peach on it. I think that's what it is. I can't tell, but I think it's a peach. So I'm gonna go with it. A peach on a peach. And then the next colors that I have is all yellow. If you guys don't know, yellow is my favorite color. It is literally like, it makes me so, so happy. So I had to get some yellow underwear. So I got this plain yellow ribbed one. Just a bright yellow. Focus on the color. Got this yellow one, and then I got this one. It says, wake up and glow. And this is also cheeky, which I thought was really pretty. There we go. And this is a bikini. Yeah, with a lemon or lime on it. I don't know, I can't tell. I'm not sure, but I thought they were so cute, so I had to get them, even though I didn't know, like, they kind of look exactly the same. It's okay. But that's everything I got at Victoria's Secret. I also, with my purchase right now, they are actually having, if you spend $20, you get 20 off your $50 purchase at the end of February. So I got one of those cards, so I'll definitely be going back, and I still have more coupons as well for there, so there might be another haul coming up in the future for you guys, so keep on the lookout for that. And that is super exciting because I love hauls, I think, more than any other video, because I get to show you guys everything I got. Not bragging, but like, because it's exciting, because like, you're my friends. I want to show you everything that I bought. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.